In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect sheets in Google Sheets. Whether you've locked your sheet by mistake or need to make edits, unprotecting a sheet is quick and easy with these steps. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Sheets document you want to unprotect. You can find this document in your Google Drive or directly using a link. Once you've located it, open the sheet as usual by clicking on it. It's important to have your document open because we'll need to dig into its settings to adjust the protection. Now that your file is open, look at the toolbar across the top of the page. You're going to focus on the Data menu, which is a vital component in managing your sheet settings. Hover over Data and click on it. This menu is where you can access various functions related to the data within your sheet, but today our focus is on sheet protection. Once inside the Data menu, you'll want to find and select the option that says Protected Sheets and Ranges. This option brings up a panel on the right side of your window. The panel lists any sheets or ranges within your document that have protection on them, complete with any specific permissions assigned. You're now going to look for the section or range that you want to unprotect within this panel. When you've found it, click on it to reveal more options. You'll see a box labeled Sheet, or perhaps the range name you've protected. If this is the correct one, locate the option marked Can Edit. Click on Can Edit to modify who currently has editing permissions. Now, this is where you can change the protection settings. You'll see a small trash can icon. This will allow you to remove the specific protection from your sheet. Click on this trash can icon and a prompt will appear asking for confirmation to remove the protection. Go ahead and select Remove. By doing so, you're allowing the specified users to edit the sheet without restrictions. The final step is crucial, ensuring the changes are saved. Click on the Done button at the bottom of the panel to apply the changes. This step confirms your actions and updates the document's settings accordingly. With these steps completed, your Google Sheet is now unprotected. If you need to reapply protection in the future, just reverse the steps. You can now proceed to make any necessary changes or edits without facing roadblocks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.